Good evening, MaryAnn here with you from AutoHaus of Naples, and tonight I have a spectacular sports car. It is a 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera S Cabriolet, which also means convertible, and this is a 991 body style. It is also the current Porsche 911 Carrera body style. In this case, this is a 911 Carrera S, and the color, although it looks not like it looks out in the sun tonight, it is really a stunning and breathtaking color. It is called an Agate, I believe is the color, Agate Grey metallic, and that metallic is what I'm speaking about. Out in the sunlight, this paint shines and shimmers. It is a wow factor. It's almost like a showstopper. So if the car itself isn't enough of a showstopper for you, well, at least you have the paint color to have that wow factor. And in the interior, we do have the black leather, so very nice. This window sticker was so high, almost $130,000. This car was new. In fact, the exact price was $129,630. You do have your stunning upgraded wheels. Those are considered your 20-inch SportTechno wheels with the huge Porsche brake calipers and the Porsche crest on the center of the wheels there. And of course you have the nice sport grille, low grille in the front, and your lighting package. So that is going to be your LED lights, and whenever you turn a corner, they do go with you. I believe it does a 15-degree swivel. You have enough room here for a couple duffel bags if you need to travel somewhere. This is a 4-seater convertible and of course sports car. And the way you close the hood, I always say, is push on the crest of the hood there. And once again, those 20-inch wheels, they are the SportTechno wheels, those huge red brake calipers. You have the nice Pirelli tires as well, and your keyless entry along with your keyless go. And you do have a 14-way seat adjustments, and that's part of the premium package plus. So those power sport seats, you can basically move them any way that you need to in order to feel comfortable. You also have a Bose stereo system, and the Bose system is very loud, has a lot of bass, if you will, so I like that. You have your quad exhaust and your backup sensors as well, and this is always indicative of the 991 body style, just these lights and tail lights alone. I believe those are LED tail lights as well. So you do have this spoiler that comes out about 75 miles per hour. However, you do have the option just by a button to have the spoiler pop out. Some people like to ride that way. They like the way it looks. You did see the top operation whenever I came down the driveway, and you also saw the windscreen, which was already up, and then I put it down for you. And here is going to be an example of the options along with the example of the window sticker. I know it's not very clear, but it was $129,630. And here's your 20-inch SportTechno wheels that I spoke of, along with your multi-function steering wheel, the Sport Chrono package, that's always nice. And there's your Porsche dynamic light system as well, and then of course your PDK transmission. The engine produces a 3.8 liter, and it's a flat 6, and it produces 400 horsepower and 325 foot-pounds of torque, and that's right underneath here. The only thing you can do with this area is basically lift it up to check some of your fluids in the car, but obviously it's not going to be your trunk space because I just showed it to you in the front of the car. So I'm going to take it out on a test drive and show you guys how amazing it runs. Let's get it started up. I did mention it was a keyless entry, keyless go, and you can see we have 20,674 miles on the odometer. So awesome. Very low mileage. Again, it's a very sought after Carrera S convertible. You have your heated, your cooled seats. You have your dual air conditioning for you and your passengers, along with your AM, FM, satellite radio, your Bluetooth, navigation, and also your auxiliary options. You even have your, I believe it's your 12 volts plugins in the glove box, along with your auxiliary and your USB plug-in options. There's the clear navigation. Yeah, there we go. There's your 12 volts and auxiliary and USB. We do have both keys, the books. There's the chrono. There's the chrono stopwatch there, timer, however you want to say it. Sorry, I'm laughing because we're totally off sync. You guys know that. If you guys by now have to know, we're just sometimes really off sync. None of this is ever planned or talked about. It is just like a free for all.
Just go with the flow.
Yeah, if you think for a minute I've got time
whatever
for that.
excites me and you is completely different things.
Yeah, well, isn't that the truth? Anyway, you do have your PDK transmission and the options of your paddle shifting, multi-function steering wheel. So here I'm going to roll this right here. I'm just going to roll it up and start to show you guys. So here, as you can see, the tire pressure on the instrument cluster, and you can see your trip, fuel consumption, the navigation. I like the fact that the navigation is right there on the instrument cluster for you. Your Bluetooth options, auxiliary, all of it's right there. It even gives you your levels along with your G-forces. I know you guys are going to
test them for a second. Come on. Go back
I know
to the
you guys are going to
G-forces.
want to see that. Now, you have your Sport and your Sport Plus right there, as you can see. And your suspension along with your traction control. This is for the spoiler. And this is, of course, a lock the doors hazard. This is going to be for, I guess, conserving energy. Top down, windscreen up or down, and the top up.
Let's put the windows up
Okay,
so it doesn't blow you out of the car.
you got it. And then I'm gonna put it into Sport Plus,
It's going to be very bouncy, but it's fun.
and it also
Hear the engine, how it rumbles all of a sudden.
yeah, actually I should rev it for you guys while you're inside, because I don't know what it's called, but some sort of technology Porsche has where when you're sitting on the inside, you can actually hear the rumble of the pipes on the inside. But I actually do not know the name of that, but I know that that exists, and you can hear it when you're in here. Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm just
Hold
gonna
on.
rev.
Yeah.
So yes. One more time. Oh my god, it's sick. Get us back into drive here, okay?
Drive, Sports Plus, let's go.
Oh my god.
That was kind of a lousy start. Let's do this one more time. Come on.
That's because y'all know about my heels. They actually got caught in the way.
I got caught, yeah. I said, what the hell is this?
I'm
gonna
sorry
go,
about that.
Let's do this one more time. Come
no,
on.
that was my heel operation.
Come on, let's do this one more time.
Operation Stiletto issues. 1, 2, 3.
I think the traction control is holding us back.
It did, actually.
That's what it was.
I'm questioning. I know my heel got stuck a little bit, but obviously it did it again. So it was trying to keep me from
Spinning,
the
yeah.
tires.
That's what's holding you back.
Yeah, wow. That's
The
actually
tires are not warmed up enough.
no, but you do have the Porsche suspension or traction control that they have implemented into the vehicle, and what that means is that the tail end or the rear part of this vehicle is not going to take over the front end. So that's just a safety feature, and that's exactly why it did that, because I clearly should not have done it so fabulously. But I will also say, this is a car you can take out, have fun, date night. There's your little hidden cup holders. That's where they are. And you can take it out. You can have a beautiful date. And then, of course, you can take it to the track, take it to the office. However you want to utilize this car, you can do all of those things with it, because it is...
Awesome.
What is it?
Awesome.
One more time, guys.
Let's go in now. Regular settings. No
Really?
Sport Plus, just to see.
If you have any questions about this 991 body style, give us a call at 239-263-8500. On the web, you can find the full listing, pricing, Carfax, And that is at AutoHausNaples.com. House is H-A-U-S because it is the German spelling. And my name's MaryAnn. I showcase the cars here at AutoHaus of Naples and I sell them in the dealership as well. And I will see you guys on the next one.